At this point, the surveyors are checking the width measurements of a van accessible parking space. We're going to be looking at parking areas. We're going to be looking at the routes from parking to the voting room, and we're going to be looking at the voting room, looking for any kind of potential obstructions that would inhibit someone from being able to vote. And if we find those, we're going to remediate those to ensure everyone has equal access to the vote centers. We're looking for the parking space has to be level. It needs to be stable, slip resistant, so no gravel, no large gaps in the pavement. Every measurement that we take what we call an establishing photo and then a measurement photo. The establishing photo shows us where they were when they took the measurement, and the measurement photo then shows us the actual measurement. So if we find a problem area, then we remediate that area as best as we can. And one of our remedies is using a mat or a mat and a metal plate. So we'll place a mat over the obstruction, and then now it becomes compliant. Okay, so now we're inside a potential voting room. When we survey the voting rooms, we're looking at the entrance to the voting room to make sure that it's compliant, make sure the door is not too heavy, make sure that it opens and closes properly, make sure the threshold is compliant. We're looking for protruding objects in the room, so anything protruding from the wall more than 4 inches, we know we have to remediate that. And we make our assessment and make sure the floor is firm, stable, slip resistant. There's not heavy carpeting or anything like that on the floor, so people can't slip. And we're checking for connectivity to make sure that our equipment will work here. We're checking the outlets in the room, and then we're going to submit all that information back to our team in the office, and then we will make a determination on whether we can use the room or not.